Once I was done with school, I was just done. Like, I was over it. My main thing was just, okay, now I need to go to work. I became a mother at 18, so that was, that was more motivation. And then I needed to set an example for my daughter. My name is ShaRhonda Clink, but I go by Rhonda. I am now a supervisor, first-time supervisor, first female supervisor as well. I just pretty much make sure everybody is working safe, everything is working correctly. Everyone gets training on safety. Each coworker looks out for another. We want you to come in with 10 fingers and toes and leave the same way. I like seeing the well-being of other people. I'm gonna look out for you before I look out for myself. Maybe 10 years ago, that's when I started getting into production, and I like trying new things. A challenge is always good for anybody, but for me, it's just seeing how far I can push myself. It's good to get out of your comfort zone because you don't know how well you are at something else unless you try. You just gotta try. When I became the first female line operator, it was tough for me. But I had a lot of people with hands-on, like, don't worry about what's going on, you just get it together, and the main people were women. Once I learned and mastered one thing, I got the encouraging words, you did good. Good job. Go ahead, woman, you did it. And so positions that I've had, other people saw something in me that I didn't know was there. I never knew how to drive a forklift. But when I came out here and I was like, I think I want to learn how to drive that. And a guy taught me how to drive it. And I was like, oh, okay. Now I make the forklift work for me instead of me working for the forklift. People looking at you like, how did you do that? And I'm like, yeah, I'm a professional over here. Never thought about being a supervisor. That's another thing. So hopefully when another position comes up as supervisor, another female might want to try it because somebody actually tried out for it and got it. Before I started here, I didn't know what opportunities that I had. But once I got here, that's when I started to see, oh, okay, I don't have to just stay here. I can go up as far as I want to go. There's a lot of opportunities for us to grow. You just got to get in there and show people that you can do it and make a difference. Saint-Gobain provides you with the tools if you don't have them already. Have faith in yourself. We as people always doubt ourselves before anybody else does. If someone comes to you and encourages you, just try it out. Don't be afraid to do it.